I certainly made a lot of new connections that I hope will allow us to win new markets and new businesses.
So some of the top MEMS luminaries are here in one room, talking about their latest and greatest.
There's a lot of really amazing people here that I was looking forward to meeting, and so I'm just impressed by who's here. And for a small group, there's a lot of firepower in this room.
It's really a hub, as I would like to say, very international.
Having this hand-picked attendees is really a differentiator. It's really been great because I think by limiting the number of attendees, you really have a lot of interactions with people.
Well, definitely this platform is very high level.
And for me, China is really important. And I think people I met today will help me to go into this market.
The networking with all the other C-level executives in the field will actually help us with the business contacts.
I really like the limited focus of the people, and then the amount of the time we got for the networking.
I mean, as a board member, we wanted the diversity in the presentations, diversity in the audience, and also a very rich, wide array of topics and formats. The rapid fire sessions, the opportunity to network, these are all very important things coming into this event.
People who present also was really high level, very various level, big companies, startups like us. It was really interesting to interact with all these people.
This summit is for sure one of the events where you can have the possibility to partner with players, with competitors, suppliers, customers. There is a lot of potential by being here.
Very easy to, during the networking process, you know whether you're going to make a deal or not.
We managed to get really high quality presenters from the full spectrum of the industry, where we give a chance for the next generation of leaders to be able to speak at this event and really to network.
It's really networking what makes the difference.
If it's this type of experience year after year, then certainly we'll be back.
And if you're interested in the MEMS business, this is the place you should go.
And I would encourage my colleagues to actually come. It was great.
I would definitely enjoy and attend the next few years.
I was impressed with the number of CEOs I bumped into today.
It's a great networking event. It's mandatory for everyone.
One of the best platform I use.
It is very engaging.
This is really at the cutting edge of MEMS.
Unique conference.
Very engaging event.
Eye-opening.
Very impressive.
Come and expect to be amazed.